Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing really good today. Now, MH-CET is just around the corner, and I'm sure all of you are working really hard to crack this examination, get the best of the government colleges in Maharashtra. But I'm sure a lot of you are also struggling with time management while sitting for the mocks for this examination. A few things to remember while you're planning and strategizing your time are first, this examination does not have any negative marking yet. So, if there are a few questions that you're unsure of, instead of putting in a lot of time for those questions, just mark the closest answer that you think could be the correct one and you can move on. That is, you can take risk. So, instead of wasting a lot of time with questions that you're stuck with, you need to move on. The second thing to be noted here is that most of the sections in this paper will not have paragraph based questions. For example, English. Most of the questions in English will be one liner questions, and every question can be answered in less than 30 seconds. That is, the entire section, including English and mathematics, can be finished off in the first 15 minutes of the examination. You have a lot of time left for the lengthier sections, for example, legal. Thing to note here is that your strategy is going to be very, very important. If you remember these two things, that there's no negative marking and we don't need to be stuck with every question, and that there are sections that can be covered up in a short span of time, you will be able to strategize your paper in a good pattern, and thus you shall be able to finish the entire paper probably even before the time ends. I'm sure you're going to apply this to your practice and come out with flying colors. All the best for your preparation.